While cleaning your Bullet oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a 24-ounce bottle, a trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off button to cool the oven. This can take up to 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the screen reads, "Oven off, safe to clean." Step 2. Clean the baking stone. Remove the baking stone and gently clean with oven cleaner and a clean cloth towel. Then clean with a damp cloth towel and allow the baking stone to dry completely. Do not immerse the baking stone in water. If it is immersed, allow it to thoroughly air dry before using, otherwise, it may crack. Step 3. Clean the jet plate. Lift the front of the jet plate, pull the jet plate forward and remove it from the oven. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plate and gently scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the jet plate with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the crumb tray. Remove the crumb tray below the oven door. Use a clean cloth towel to remove food debris. Step 5. Clean the air filter. Remove the air filter in the exterior back of the oven. Rinse with cold water and let the filter dry completely before reinstalling. Step 6. Clean the oven cavity. The heating element can be lifted for cleaning underneath. Do not attempt to clean the heating element. Remove large food particles from the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner onto a scrub pad to clean the oven interior. Do not spray directly into the back of the oven. Spraying oven cleaner into the back of the oven can damage the catalytic converter. Remove oven cleaner residue with a clean damp cloth. Gently scrub the interior of the oven door with oven cleaner and a scrub pad. Remove oven cleaner residue with a clean damp cloth. Step 7. Reinstall components. Reinstall the air filter after it is completely dry. Replace it with a new one if the mesh is deteriorated, has large openings, or has started to dislodge from the frame. Gently push the heating element down and reinstall the jet plate and baking stone. Do not operate the oven without the bottom jet plate installed. Doing so may damage the oven. Reinstall the crumb tray. Step 8. Clean the oven exterior. With a damp cloth towel, wipe the front, sides, and top of the exterior. Wipe the oven exterior with a damp towel. Press the clean icon in the bottom right of the one-touch screen to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean it. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your Bullet oven. Contact your sales representative to order more cleaning supplies.